Okay, kids, here's your dad. He's getting ready to climb another mountain after he said we were going to Mount Washington this morning. Down in New Hampshire, we ended up in Maine at Acadia National Park, and he's going to go climb.
Watching me tie shoes is a pretty boring video.
He's going to go climb this mountain way up here. So, Eugene, how you feeling?
What's that? Beehive Trail.
Look at me, I'm taking a video. So how you feeling after your 3 times old rag hike yesterday?
Sore.
Sore. How you think you're going to do on this hike?
Probably fall off.
Well, good
Almost
luck.
got swept away in the ocean already.
Yeah, I know. That was fun, wasn't it? We got to be more careful with you. Okay, well, good luck. I'm going to try to get at least a picture. You can take this camera, and I'm going to try to get your picture. So you have something of Katie's with you, and you got Robbie's hat on, so we're doing good in case you fall over.
This is the beginning of the Beehive Trail. This is a good thing. Fortunately, there's plenty of rocks here. I was worried I was out of rocks walking. This should get interesting. There's a trail through here. Can you see where it's marked? Here's some steps, so this must be part of the trail. This is the Beehive Trail. That's the beehive. That's where we're going. Okay, still on the beehive. Just barely up it. It's already way up high over the beach. Way down there is the beach where your mom's waiting. That's what it's been like so far. Not too bad. Old raggish. Okay. Now we're coming up to where we're going to start some rock scrambling. It's a little dark in here. You can see it's kind of far down over there. Well, better put the camera away. You can see I'm going up though. Okay, just came up through there. Still see the ocean way out there. Going around through here. You're ready to come up this steep wall, and I don't know if you can see it there. There's an iron grate I gotta walk across. Here comes folks up behind me I'm gonna let by. There's a little access point out here. Well, I'm taking baby steps, you could believe that. And look down there. Now we come. I'm going to put the camera away. I got to climb up these iron rungs. Hi. Just came up over that ledge. That was too scary to even describe. I couldn't take a picture of it. Way down there, heading on up there. More iron rungs. Way up there. Boy, I don't know, but I sure hope that's the worst of it. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like it is. Okay, technically that's the top, but here's the last place I think you get a really awesome view from. Well, I gotta tell you, I forbid any of my kids or grandkids to ever do this. It's stupid. I'm out of breath. That Franconia Ridge sucked my legs dry. I had to pull myself up with my arms. Okay, just so you know that I really did make it. I tell you this, the top, it's got a bunch of bushes on it. Pines. But this is the top. It's Acadia National Park. If I get up over the trees, I think you can see Otter Cliffs, I think they're called. Boy, I'm weak-kneed. Again, this is Acadia. I don't know if I can zoom in on that or not. I've got too much glare here. There's a sailing ship out there. Big mountain, big mountain, big mountain right up here next to the ocean. It's Frenchman Bay. It's a lighthouse way out there on Eug Island.